Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Limitless Lauren. Today Liam and I are going to be doing some fun activities in the snow. We got over 6 inches of snow, so we have just been having so much fun playing in it and trying some new activities. So we're finishing getting all bundled up and we'll meet you outside. First activity we're going to do is painting in the snow. So I got 4 individual cups, 4 different colors. I just added like 4 or 5 food coloring drops and then filled it up with water. I have a little paintbrush. Here you go, bud. I know it's hard to grab with your gloves.
I'm making a rainbow.
You're making a rainbow? Wow, good job. I've also seen people do spray bottles, like a little condiments, plastic bottles, and you can squirt different things, but I didn't have any, so just use some cups and a paintbrush. Also with this activity, you can learn about colors. So you could take a ball of snow. So I'm gonna pour some red, Liam, and some blue. We're gonna mix it up.
And make purple.
It does make purple.
Yeah, I'll paint the purple.
Wow.
I make a purple.
And then after you're done with this activity, it's pretty easy cleanup. You just throw all the water in the snow. All right, bud, you can pick it up and throw it out in the snow. Oh boy. Okay, like this. You take it from the bottom and throw it out like that, okay? You try that. Pick it up from the bottom. No, with that hand, yeah, and then throw it that way. Good. Okay,
Blue.
last one. Throw it out that way. Yeah! Wow, look at all those colors.
Want to mix it up?
Mix it up.
Mix color.
Our next activity is a snow volcano, and I saw this, a friend posted it on Facebook. So I have this cup, and it is filled with some dish soap, baking soda, and food coloring. And we're gonna build it up in the snow, and all we have to add is vinegar. We're gonna dig this out, put the cup here. We're gonna dig the snow all around it. Okay, so here is the snow volcano.
What's out
Here it comes. I don't think I had enough vinegar, but look, it's bubbling up. Whoa, look, here it comes, Liam. Whoa, look, it's bouncy. Science. Next activity. While he is playing with the last 2 activities, I am going to hide some of his toys in the snow. And I set up these orange cones so I know where they are. And if you do forget or lose some, it'll melt eventually, so no big deal. Okay, Liam, so I hid your toys between the 2 orange cones. Okay, you gotta dig between the 2 orange cones, and I hid your toys in there. No, not in the cone, between the cones. No, Liam, in between, like in here, over here. Look at Mom, all right here. You gotta dig. Oh boy. Use your gloves and dig it out. So we have a tiny little slope of a hill on the side of our house. And so, I don't know if you can see it in the snow right here, but it snowed a little bit more on top of it, but it's already pretty packed down underneath. I found this little sled at the thrift store for like $2, and then I tied a piece of string to it, so I'm able to pull him on it. All right, you ready? Okay. Back up we go.
Go super fast.
Super fast. Okay, we're 1, 2, 3. It's dinky, but he likes it. It's not dinky. Oh, okay, sorry. When I get too tired, I make him carry the sled back up. Liam liked the volcano so much, so we're gonna do another one. He wants a green one this time, so I'm gonna put a couple drops of green in there. Wow! You like the volcano?
Yeah.
Last activity, we're gonna make a mini snowman. So I found some stuff around the yard. Are you gonna help Mama make a snowman?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, we'll see. There's my little snowman. He looks a little creepy, but... Liam has requested I bury him in the snow. So we'll start with his legs and see how he feels. It might be too cold. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna get your shovel. Okay, he's all buried. Wow! Wow! Break free, little monster! Oh, you're not a monster? Oh, sorry. Oh, you're just Liam? What was your favorite thing we did in the snow?
Let's go sledding.
You liked going sledding? Yeah. Okay. Well, that is it for our snow day activities. Liam had a lot of fun. We did each of the activities multiple times. So all of them were definitely a win. I'll link the recipe that I used below for the volcano. Super easy. And yeah, so hopefully if you have a lot of snow, I know there's a lot of power outages going on right now. People are out of heat. Try to be safe. Keep warm as best as you can. I know it's such a crazy time with the weather and COVID and everything else, but hopefully you got some ideas to play with your kids in the snow. And I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. But wait.
Before you go, I'll miss you so please subscribe to my channel and like this video.
Inside, Mama.
It's time to go inside.
No, Mama, no. Mama, never say no, Mama.
We will do it again tomorrow, but it's getting cold.
Never, Mama, no.
Come on.